Alright, I have a song here that I wrote about 10 years ago, and it's called Daddy's Girl. Some of y'all know it. It's the first time I've recorded it, and hope y'all like it. Met a girl in a white room, took a while to console that she was a little crazy when she said I'm daddy's baby. Daddy said he'd always love me, cherish the air above me. Then he looked me in the eyes and said, don't cry. Daddy showed me that he loved me, took me out to a dinner and a movie, made me promise not to tell mommy the way he showed me he loved me. And she screams, my mind has been raped since the time that I was 8. I'm just a big mistake, and they say I shouldn't hate, even when all I am is fake. Been locked in this white room, smelling my mother's perfume. Been around for about 10 years, waiting for my daddy to appear. Please help me, I'm hurting. I hit her and told her she was pretty. Girl, don't cry, I'll try to make everything go right. She went home the very next day. She said, I gotta get away, gotta try to find me a better place. Went home to her papa's house, upstairs as quiet as a mouse. Pulled out a gun, said, Daddy, don't cry, this is the only way to say goodbye. And she screams, my mind has been raped since the time that I was 8. I'm just a big mistake, and they say I shouldn't hate, even when all I am is fake. This is the end of a tragic life. Daddy's little girl had to say goodbye.